Edward Hopper is arguably the most important American painter. When you come into Edward Hopper's home, you get an experience of his senses there. The house became an art center, a space that was preserved by the community, and most recently became a museum, meaning it has a collection and a Hopper collection.
The arts are not really recognized in public school systems. Art is a tool for understanding, especially for kids. It helps them understand the world around us, and it also helps them understand themselves. So the Nighthawks Teen Leadership is an ambassador program that trains teens. It focuses on their professional development in terms of public speaking, sensing community, and their peer activity within their community as well.
Nighthawks is important to these students. They are part of something that is distinct from school, from home, from anywhere else, and they own it. It's their program. And teenagers aren't often in a position to own anything.
Working in a museum setting that's not only a museum setting, but is the artist's actual home, it really legitimizes the need for creative leadership in our community. So the fact that they can do that and cultivate that, it really is a tool that they could use throughout the rest of their lives.
If the Nighthawk program didn't exist, I wouldn't have this experience. Not only am I learning about art, it's also helped me create bonds between other people in here. Like I've never really met people that I can connect to in like the most random topics.
The Nighthawks program has been a really cool experience for me. All these local artists come in and all these members of the community who I've never known before, and they, each time you talk to someone new, it provides new insights.
Not every kid can go to summer camp, so it's funny because it seems to attract a group of teens that knows they need something more to be able to come out of their shell, and just being an adult in their lives that isn't a parent or a teacher is really fulfilling, because you can see there's fertile ground there for us to provide an opportunity for that aha moment.
If the Nighthawks program didn't exist, it would be a huge loss to our community and our youth, because it's a free program that's open to all the teens in the county. These are kids throughout Rockland County, and it's a range of socioeconomic backgrounds. I don't think they would be able to afford it, some of them, if we had to charge for this.
The Nighthawks program has been a really big influence on my life, and has led me to make a lot of important decisions, I think. I'm going to be majoring in art history next year in Fordham University, and I didn't even really know what art history was before this program. It really sort of shaped my passions a lot.
We're influencing a generation that the aha moments never stop.